Hey, it's Mega, aka the Art Messiah, here to save you from your art sins. Have you guys ever wondered what it'd be like to create your own webcomic or create your own graphic novel series? Have you ever been really, inspired and excited by stories and movies? If you have been and you really want to get into it, you've come to the right place, because we are going to be discussing what it takes to make a webcomic. We will talk about the tools, techniques, resources, tips and tricks to get you guys going in making your own story. So the idea for this, I kind of came up with it today, and basically I wanted to challenge myself and challenge you guys to work on your comic every day. And so we have basically a series of discussions we will have every single day, along with some drawing videos that will go into the comic making process. Now, if you guys are beginners and are starting out, leave some comments down below and kind of discuss where you guys are going to be starting from. But my idea was to, each day when I come back from work, I work a 9-to-5 job, sit down for an hour and really just get to some drawing. So every day we're going to start with some warm-ups, and then I'm going to go into comic making. And then afterwards I'm going to discuss, the topic of the day. And there's a lot of different things that I want to talk about, so I'm really excited about it. I'm really excited to pull together my ideas and my resources and my inspiration, and really give you guys kind of a look behind the scenes into my comic making process. And even though my comic isn't traditional in that sense, I'm going to be making use of a lot of techniques and skills that you will need to create a webcomic or an actual printed comic. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this little mini series that I'm going to do. I hope to post every day, just kind of giving you guys a look into the struggles, the everyday today, what it looks like to be a comic artist. So stay tuned, and we'll be back with another video.